Hello friends. Today's topic is taken from geography. The title of today's video is Why are equatorial countries poor? What is equator? Equator is an imaginary line passing through the center of Earth and dividing the Earth into northern and southern hemisphere and constituting the parallel of latitude 0 degree. Africa, Southeast Asia, and parts of Central and Southern America are the world's equatorial region. Africa and Southeast Asia have the lowest GDP per capita. Central and South America fares better. But apart from Brazil and Venezuela, its more equatorial countries are below the world average. On the other hand, if you move northward from the equator, countries are becoming more and more rich. So, we can deduce that there is a relationship between climate and economic prosperity. Now, we will try to understand this relationship. How is the climate of equatorial region? The equatorial climate is characterized by hot average temperature all year round and high monthly precipitation or rainfall. If the average temperature all year round is high, then it affects or exhausts the inhabitants of that region. People cannot do the work for more time. So, it affects the productivity of the people, and productivity is directly related to the economic prosperity. Few years back, the former Prime Minister of Singapore, Lee Kuan Yew, was asked about the secret of Singapore's success. His answer for that was the discovery of air conditioner or AC. Located just north of equator, Singapore has a tropical climate and stays hot and humid throughout the year. By using the air conditioner or AC in working place, Singapore had increased the physical productivity of the workers. At present, the per capita of Singapore is more than $60,000, which is more than USA. Similarly, because of hot climate and high monthly precipitation or rainfall, equatorial region has high infant mortality rate. High infant mortality rate affects the development of high quality human resource. To any country to become rich, they must possess good quality human resource, which are essential to high productivity. Most of the equatorial countries are unable to control climatic condition to become rich. Contrary, the North America and European states succeeded to manage their climatic conditions and became more and more rich. To conclude, the inventions of new technology can help to reduce the brutality of nature. Thank you for watching my video.